Hello and welcome back. Till now we have talked about fruits and vegetables, right? Now let's move on to the last part of this series, the pronunciation of nuts. Number 1. Walnut. Walnut. 2. Pistachio. Pistachio. 3. Brazil nut. Brazil nut. 4. Peanut. Peanut. 5. Hazelnut. Hazelnut. 6. Cashew. Cashew nut. 7. Macadamia. Macadamia. And the final one, almond. Almond. This is commonly mispronounced as almond. It should be almond. The O there is silent. If you want to watch the full lesson of the silent letter L, the link is in my bio. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to comment down below your favorite nut. Mine is cashew. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye!